Welcome back to this section. So for this section, we'll be seeing how to import test cards. Let's move on to the dashboard. So this is our test card here, as you can see. So this is basically used for your KPIs. I'm going to explain this later, okay? So this is basically used for that. So you click on it and you have this guy. Usually it doesn't have to be big, okay? It should be small. So I want to see the average. So just bring it here, add it here. So that means I want to see the sum of sales, total sum of sales for all the products. So you can move it to, if you want, you can change it to the average, so it has changed. You can also change it to median, that's changed. You can change it to standard variance. So you can do all of this. So this is for, so when we start building a dashboard, you will see the importance of this guy here. Okay, so I want to add something else. You bring another one, click out so it doesn't replace this one. So bring another one. This time I want to see the profits rather. So bring it to the feed, and I want to see the sum. Okay, we already have the sum. You can move it to average. Let's give it an average. Bring it to average. So the average, now let's arrange it. It's always nice when you arrange it. You can reduce the size if you want. You can reduce the size. You can also format it. I'll teach you the formatting later. We'll do the formatting later. So that's basically what the test card. You can add as much as you want. You can add as much as you want. So bring it here. This time let's see the discount. Was it discount we did before? So let's do the discount. So drag discount to the feed. So we have this now. So we have this now as our KPIs. I'm going to explain this to us in the next class. All right, so this is how to use your test cards. Now they made it very better. So let's move on to the next one that would replace this guy. See you in the next class.